Hi everyone, my name is Satvik of Computer Science and Engineering, Section C, roll number 20951A05G4. The topic which I got for the Tech Talk for the subject Analog in Digital Electronics is channel coding in 5G new radio. First of all, let us start with the introduction. Fifth generation new radio holds promise in fulfilling new communication requirements that enables ubiquitous, low latency, high speed and high reliability connections among mobile devices. Compared to fourth generation long-term evolution, new error correcting codes have been introduced in 5G NR for both data and control channels. In this article, the specific low density partial check codes and polar codes adopted by the 5G NR standard are described. The purpose of each key component in these codes and the associated operations are explained. Performance and implementation advantage of these new codes are compared with those of LG LTE. First, error correcting codes in 5G NR. The advent of the 5G mobile communication networks augurs a new era of ubiquitous connections among new type of mobile devices, including self-driving vehicles, unmanned aerial vehicles, and autonomous robots. At the heart of the 5G evolution over today's 4G networks, there is a set of new communication requirements beyond mere data rate improvements that includes low latency, low power consumption, and high reliability. The foundation of 5G networks that enables the fulfillment of these new requirements in 5G NR, the latest release of the cellular standard in the third generation partnership project, have formally announced the arrival of the 5G NR air interface. Compared to 4G LTE, a prominent feature of 5G NR is a pair of new error correcting channel codes adopted, respectively for data channels and control channels. Specifically, LDPC codes replaced turbo codes for data channels and polar codes replaced tail biting convolution codes for control channels. In this tutorial article, the specific LDPC codes and polar codes adopted by the 5G NR standard are detected and the purpose of each key component in these codes and the associated operation are explained by their performance and implementation advantages of these new codes are compared with the old ones. NR data channel. LDPC codes were first introduced by Gallagher in his doctor thesis, but were they largely forgotten? They were rediscovered in the mid 1990s by several authors. LDPC codes have attracted a lot of interest since then, including the incorporation in several IEEE standards such as IEEE 802.16e, IEEE 802.11n, and so on. When 4G LTE was standardized approximately 10 years ago, LDPC codes were also promising candidates. Through ultimately turbo codes with new quadratic permutation, polynomial interlevers were adopted instead. The main advantages of 5G NR LDPC codes compared to turbo codes used in 4G LTE are better area throughout efficiency. Example measured in GB per second per millimeter square and sustainably higher achievable peak throughput, reduced decoding complexity and improving decoding latency, especially when operating at high code rates due to higher degree of parallelization, improved performance with error floors around or below the block error rate, and sizes and code rates. These advantages make NR LDPC codes suitable for very high and ultra reliable low latency communication targeted with 5G, where targeted pieces have 20 GB per second for downlink and 10 GB per second for uplink. This is the NR LDPC coding chain, where you can uncode bits, you can see segmentation, CRC encoder, LDPC encoder, then the circular bufferer for punctuation and repetition, systematic bit prior interleaver, and finally coded bits. In our control channel, polar codes originally posted by Arikan in are the first class of constructive channel codes that was proven to achieve the symmetric capacity of a binary input discrete memoryless channel using a low complexity decoder, particularly a successive cancellation decoder. The main idea of polar coding is to transform a pair of identical binary input channels into two distinct channels of different qualities, one better and one worse than the original binary input channel. By repeating such a pairwise polarization operation on a set of 2 power n independent uses of a binary input channel, a set of 2n bit channels of varying qualities in terms of the reliability in communication, a single bit can be obtained for any given integer n. When n is large, some of these bit channels are nearly perfect, that is error free, while the rest of them are nearly useless, that is totally noisy. The idea is to nearly perfect channels to transmit data to the receiver while setting the input to the useless channels to have fixed or frozen values, example 0, that are known to the receiver. The input bits to the nearly useless and the nearly perfect bit channels are commonly referred to as frozen bits and non-frozen bits, respectively. On the bits are used to carry information. The choice of the set of non-frozen bit locations referred to the information set directly affects the performance of a polar code. In practice, the relative reliabilities of the bit channels may be sorted in an ascending order and be captured in a sequence of indices termed an information sequence that indicates the order with which the bit channels should be used to carry data. For instance, the bit channels corresponding to the last k indices in the information sequence should be used for carrying a given set of k data bits. Puncturing or shortening of coded bits, however, can make some bit channels whose locations depend on the puncturing or shortening pattern highly unreliable, that is, incapable of information carrying, and thus can alter the order with which the bit channel should be used. Despite their capacity achieving capability, polar codes of finite size when used alone often exhibit a poor minimum distance property and do not perform well at a high SNR regime. Even with exhaustive search, maximum likelihood decoding, concatenation with an outer code such as a CRC code together with the use of a successive cancellation list decoder is needed to achieve competitive performance. The main advantage of polar codes over the TBCCs and turbo codes used in 4G LTE as well as the NR LDPC codes is that polar codes with SCL and CRC outer codes typically yield better performance and moderate payload sizes on the order of k equal to 250 bits or less, which is sufficient for the control information. However, the NR polar code is significantly more complicated TBCCs used in LG LTE control channels. Coding for downlink control information. CRC interleaving is the unique component in coding chain that is performed in the downlink only. The purpose of the CRC interleave is to distribute the CRC bits more evenly with the block of information and frozen bits. This constructs the conventional approach of clustering all the CRC bits at the end of the information block. The CRC interleaver is designed in such a way that the CRC bit only depends on the previous information bits during SC or SCL decoding so that the CRC bit value can be calculated without waiting for information bits that came after the given CRC bit. Coding for uplift control. Conventional frozen bits of polar codes typically carry a fixed value that is known to the decoder. However, it is possible to improve all bits slightly in most cases. The error correcting performance of a polar code by making the frozen bits dependent on the values of the information. This kind of data dependent frozen bits is commonly referred to as dynamically frozen bits. PC frozen bits or simply PC bits. Performance and complexity comparison. To highlight the reasoning behind the selection of LDPC and polar codes for NR, the performance and complexity of the NR LDPC codes and the NR polar codes are compared with those of the LTE turbo codes that are presented. Table 3 summarizes the performance comparison among different coding schemes at various values of K and R, as shown. The NR polar codes outperform both the NR LDPC and the LTE turbo codes by around 1 to 3 dB. This is the table that compares the NR LDPC codes and NR polar codes and LTE turbo codes based on the info block length, code rate, BLER target, and their performance. With this, I hope that you have gained some knowledge. I would like to take leave from you. Thank you.